Today we'll be previewing these 6 slimes. First up, we have butter, cookie dough, birthday cake, milk, slime sauce, and peanut butter. These 3 are jiggly slimes. Those 3 are some glossy slimes. Alright, let's try all the slime. First up, we're going to be trying butter. Seven out of 10. Next up, we have cookie gelato. Kind of feels like a cookie because it breaks so easily. So I'll say probably for cookie gelato, I'll probably say 8 out of 10. Next up, we have birthday cake. Okay, this one probably feels the best out of cookie gelato and butter so far. I really like this one. It's really stretchy, and I could do cool camera effects with it. Nine and a half out of 10. Next up, we have milk. I guess you should call it cereal, but same thing. Oof. This is our first jiggly. Ooh. Look how jiggly it is. Anywho. Okay, that comes apart really easily, so I think we're just looking for the best squishy feeling when you squish it. So, oh shoot, charms fall out really easily. This one's not the best. I'm gonna say this one's like a 6.5 out of 10. Next up, we have slime sauce. Ooh, already got some noodles. Ooh, I actually really like the feel of this one. This one's more jiggly, but none of the charms fall out, and it's actually kind of satisfying to when you squish it. Alright, let's do some ASMR. I'm gonna say 8 out of 10. Next up, we'll be trialing peanut butter. Ooh, with fresh strawberries. Oof, wait, it broke. I really like the color of this one, and it feels nice, but it's like, oh my gosh, all the strawberries fall out. Okay, all the strawberries are falling out. Okay, it rips apart super easily. Like, look, so, I'm gonna say that's like I'm not gonna give it the worst rate. I'll say 7 out of 10. Wait a minute, I forgot to show you the last slime. Soda. Doesn't have any charms in it, but it feels so good. Stretchy enough. Get some ASMR out of it. And like, it feels so good right now. Bro, like. And this shall end our video. I'm gonna say 10 out of 10. So today, we tried butter, cookie glop dough, birthday cake, milk, slime sauce, and peanut butter. And then we also have the very secret, very special slime at the end, soda. Thanks for watching.